Clinical trials are used to find out if new drugs or a combination of treatments are safe and effective. An Infusion Resource studies new therapies including antibiotics, chemotherapy, and pain management. Joining us today to tell us more about clinical trials is Kelly Lambrisi. She's the Vice President of Pharma Resource. Thank you so much for joining us, Kelly.
Good morning.
Now, why are clinical trials so vital in the discovery of new medications and treatments?
Without clinical trials, we would not have new therapies or technologies or medications available to us. It's necessary to conduct clinical trials to make sure that drugs are safe and effective for the patient population that are going to use them.
Now, what's in place to protect the patients who participate in these clinical trials?
The FDA governs the protocol that is designed for the clinical trial, and then at Pharma Resource we have principal investigators that are community-based oncologists that oversee the protocol that's governed by the FDA to protect patients.
What are the benefits for patients that come in for these clinical trials?
The first benefit is that oftentimes it's a new treatment or a new medication that's not readily available because it's not yet FDA approved. In addition, as participants in the trial, they get access to imaging studies, CAT scans, MRIs. They get free study medications, and in the population of unemployment that we have in the state of Rhode Island, it affords them access to health care without any expense to them or the health care system.
That's great. Now, Pharma Resource is working on clinical trials. What are you working on currently?
Currently, we're working on 3 cancer trials: breast cancer, ovarian cancer, and lung cancer. In addition, we have a novel treatment for Alzheimer's patients and ulcerative colitis.
What's different with Pharma Resources than another pharmaceutical trial? What's the difference?
Well, our pharmaceutical trials are basically the same because, as I said earlier, the protocol is governed by the FDA. But it's our clinical location that's different. It really feels like more home. It's not an academic setting. We have very flexible hours, an ambulatory treatment infusion suite. We have our own pharmacy. We open late hours to accommodate patient schedules that have to work so that they can keep their job and maintain their health insurance and then come and see us. So if we have to be available on a Saturday or a Sunday, we're very willing to do that for patients.
That's great. It's very welcoming. And the home setting is very important too. Some people are intimidated by something more than that.
Yeah, we actually painted our exam rooms. They don't look anything like a typical medical exam room, so people can come in and feel comfortable and ask questions and be well-informed consumers.
Kelly, I appreciate it so much.
Thank you so kindly.
Thank you. And if you want more information about Infusion Resource, just go to our website. It's foxprovidence.com.